Yep, sanibonani bafethu, sanibonani. Please like, share, subscribe bafethu. Bafana idlala i-draw vandag. Yeah bafethu, Hugo Broos, I don't think mina uyi-good coach for Bafana. Bafethu ibhola lethu sikhuluma ngebhola eliku-prime, liku-peak ibhola la ku-PSL, liku-peak. Mangithi liku-peak, anything can happen. If you saw i-Sundowns iwine i-CAF, to show ukuthi South African football is at peak, liku-CAF, hamba ubheke CAF, Sundowns iwinile. But nangu coach uHugo Broos ongaselect ama-player, bayamselectela ama-player. Ucoach ophile kahle la engcondweni bekangakhetha ama-player we-Sundowns ayi-14. Ucoach ophile kahle la engcondweni. It makes sense. Akekho umuntu ongakublame ukuthi wena uthathe ama-player we-Sundowns waya nawo ku-World Cup. Ama-player we-Sundowns acede uwin i-CAF last week. Akekho umuntu ongakublame noma ungadliwe uhambe nalawo ma-player. But because Hugo Broos akusuyo selector i-national team, i-selector uHelman Mkhelele no-Ivan Khoza, akanaso leso sibindi sokuyenza leyo nto. Akasiyo indoda uHugo Broos, akasiyo indoda, uyatshelwa. The only thing emkhipha kuBafana yile 1 million per month ayiholayo. I'm telling you, if ahamba kuBafana, I don't think mina there's a high profile team engamfuna uHugo Broos. I don't think kune high profile engamfuna ukuthi azoba coach wayo, because na ku-national team since afikile una 6 years afikile lo baba. 6 years kusele 1 week kuthi ku-World Cup awuna starting 11. Come on guys, come on ma South African. Angazi since banijove ngale injection ye-COVID-19 nivele nibe yilima west, abobaba beyilima. Aniyiboni lento kule ukuthi yini. Since u-Ivan Khoza azwe ukuthi iFIFA izokhipha 11,000 per day for ama-team a-release ama-player to i-World Cup, nangu release wonke ama-team ufuna kugcwala i-Pirates lapha. Bafethu ama-player we-Pirates awanayo i-fighting spirit. I-league babathengele, ama-cup laba bawinayo hlezi kuyi-referee aka-mistake. U-referee yenza i-mistake every cup final i-Pirates ayidlalile, u-referee yenza i-mistake, wena bese uthatha ama-player anjalo wayisa ku-club World Cup. Come on guys. Lo baba lona isilima so baba. Danko.